If you're still broke online, don't skip this, because what I'm about to say might frustrate you, but it might also explain exactly why nothing has changed. It's not because the market is saturated. It's not because you're too late. It's because you're avoiding action, and most people don't even realize they're doing it. You're not avoiding the internet. You're avoiding rejection. You tell yourself, I'm preparing, I'm learning, I'm improving. But preparation has quietly turned into procrastination, and here's the dangerous part. It feels productive, you feel busy, you feel responsible, but your bank account doesn't move. Meanwhile, beginners are getting paid every single day. No huge audience, no fancy brand, no secret advantage. So what's the difference? They send, you study. Be honest with yourself. In the last 30 days, how many hours have you spent watching tutorials? Now, how many offers have you actually sent? That gap right there. That's the problem. Money does not reward what you know. It rewards what you execute. I learned this the hard way. Months of studying, zero selling. I convinced myself I was building skills. I wasn't. I was protecting my ego from hearing no. Because learning feels safe. Action doesn't. Action risks silence. It risks being ignored. It risks rejection. And your brain hates rejection. So it keeps you comfortable, scrolling, planning, organizing, redesigning, busy, but broke. Now pay attention to this. Experts get paid more, but beginners often get paid faster. Why? Because beginners move before they feel ready. Experts polish forever. Speed beats perfection online. Let me make this practical. Creators upload 30-minute videos every week. They don't need more ideas. They need leverage, clips, short highlights, captions, clean edits. Take one long video, turn it into 3 short pieces, deliver it within 24 hours. You just save them time. And time is expensive. That's value. Businesses want leads, not motivation, leads. You build a clean list, names, emails, links, organized, ready. You just save them hours. That's value. Now here's something real. A beginner sat with 3 finished clips ready to send. No degree, no big portfolio, no reputation. His finger hovered over the send button for 10 full minutes, not because the work was bad, but because his ego was terrified. What if they ignore me? What if they say no? What if I look stupid? He pressed send anyway. 20 minutes later, the reply came. How much? That week, he made his first $150. Nothing magical happened. He didn't suddenly become confident. He just acted before he felt ready. That's the difference. You are not selling skill. You are selling relief. Relief from wasted time. Relief from unfinished tasks. Relief from overwhelm. $1,000 sounds big until you break it down. 5 clients at 200. 10 clients at 100. 1 small retainer. Now it's math. And math doesn't care about fear. Here's where most people disappear. They wait to feel confident, but confidence comes after proof, not before. So here's your move. Within the next 7 days, create proof. 3 samples, before and after. Clear improvement, then send this message. I made a quick improvement sample for you. Would you like results like this consistently? Short, clear, professional. Most people watching this won't send that message, not because they can't, but because protecting the ego feels safer than building income. They'll close this video, feel motivated, and go back to scrolling. If you're different, prove it, not to me, to yourself. Pick one service, commit for 90 days. No switching every week, no new plan every Monday, no quitting when it gets boring, and it will get boring, that's the filter. 2 focused hours a day. Track your output, improve weekly, execution over emotion, output over overthinking. 3 months from now, you will either have proof or you will have excuses. 1 year from now, you will either have momentum or the same frustration. Start before you feel ready, because ready is just fear with better marketing. And in the next video, I'm going to break down the invisible mistake that makes the algorithm ignore beginners, even when they're working hard. You don't want to miss that one.